Welcome to Students in my class. My name is Farasan. Subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class. Exercise number 8.2. Question number 4. So friends, the cost of an article was 1500 rupees and 450 rupees was spent on its repair. If it sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. So students, cost price 15,500, okay, and 450 rupees spent on its repair. So students, take an example for understanding this. Suppose we purchase a machine 500 rupees, okay, this is the cost price, and repair it 50 rupees spent for repair. So this repair. So students, total cost price is 550 rupees. Okay, this is cost price and repair 50 rupees spent on for repair of this machine. So total cost price is 550 rupees. This is total cost price. Similarly, same situation here. Article cost price 15,500 rupees and 450 rupees spent on its repair. Cost price 15,500 rupees and repair 450 rupees. The total cost price equals to 15,500 plus 450 rupees. Okay, so 15,000 0 5 4 5 plus 4 9. 15,915 rupees, 950 rupees total cost price. Okay, and sold for a profit of 15%. Selling price it is not given. Selling price find out. Okay, for profit is given 15%. 15% of 15,950. Why 15,950 rupees? Right here because calculate profit and loss always on cost price. Okay, so 15% of 15,950 rupees is the profit. Now amount of profit find out. 15 upon 100 multiplied by 15,950. 0 0 cancel. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. Now divided by 1595 by 2. 2 7 is 14, 1 9, 2 9 is 18, 1 5 write down, 2 7 is 14, 1 decimal after we can take 0. Okay, after decimal 2 5 is 10. So multiply by 3 multiply by 797.5. Okay, 797.5 multiplied by 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 7 is 21 plus 1 22. 3 9 is 27 plus 2 29. 3 7 is 21 plus 2 23. Point after one digit from right side. So profit is 2392.5. This is the profit. Well students, selling price find out now. And in previous class I told you that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Suppose for example, we purchased a pen at 30 rupees and sold it 40 rupees. So this is the cost price and this is the selling price. Profit 10 rupees. Profit. So cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Okay. Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So now selling price find out. Cost price given 15,950 rupees. Return total cost price taking. Okay. Plus profit 23,2392.5. Add this 15,950 point after 0 we can take. Okay. And same arrangement 2932 plus 5.2 9 plus 5 14 10 and 12 13 14 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13 8 1 18342.5 80 18,342 rupees point something. So answer is selling price is find out 18,342 rupees point something. This is the answer. So students, cost price given and repair price given. So cost price plus repair price add. So find out the total cost price. Okay. Find out the profit profit amount because profit given 16%, 15%. So 15% of 15,950 rupees. Profit always calculate on cost price. So amount of profit find out. Now selling price equals to cost price plus profit, cost price plus profit add. So selling price find out. Okay friends, take care. Bye.